The Sonic Shield. How masking environmental noise can improve our lives. In our increasingly noisy world, finding moments of peace and quiet can feel like a constant battle. From the relentless hum of traffic to the chatter of open-plan offices and the unpredictable sounds of urban living, environmental noise can significantly impact our focus, productivity, sleep, and overall well-being. Fortunately, a powerful and often surprisingly simple technique exists to combat these auditory intrusions: masking environmental noise. Masking, in its essence, is the process of introducing a background sound to reduce the perception or intrusiveness of other, unwanted sounds. It doesn't eliminate the original noise, but rather covers it up or blends it into a less noticeable auditory backdrop. This seemingly counterintuitive approach, fighting noise with more noise, can be remarkably effective in creating more comfortable, private, and productive environments. Understanding the science. How masking works. The effectiveness of noise masking relies on a fascinating interplay between acoustics and human auditory perception. Here's a breakdown of the key principles. Auditory masking. This psychoacoustic phenomenon occurs when the presence of one sound makes another sound less audible. This happens most effectively when the masking sound is similar in frequency to the sound being masked or when the masking sound is significantly louder. Speech intelligibility reduction. A primary goal of many noise masking applications, especially in workplaces, is to reduce the intelligibility of human speech. When we can't clearly understand what someone is saying, their conversation becomes less distracting and easier to ignore. Masking sounds engineered to the frequency range of human speech are particularly effective at achieving this. Signal-to-noise ratio improvement. Masking elevates the overall ambient sound level, making sudden or intermittent disruptive noises less prominent in relation to the background sound. This improves the signal-to-noise ratio for desired sounds, like your own thoughts or a nearby conversation you want to hear, by making the unwanted noise less distinct. Creating a consistent auditory backdrop. Unpredictable and fluctuating noises are often more disruptive than constant sounds. Masking introduces a consistent auditory environment, reducing the startling effect of sudden noises and making the overall soundscape more predictable and easier for the brain to filter out. The many forms of masking noise. The masking sound isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Various types of sounds can be used for masking, each with its own characteristics and applications. White noise. As discussed in the context of sleep, white noise contains all audible frequencies at roughly equal intensity, resulting in a hissing or static-like sound. It's effective for masking a broad range of sounds but can sometimes be perceived as harsh or irritating at higher volumes. Pink noise. Similar to white noise but with more power in the lower frequencies, pink noise has a deeper, more even sound often compared to rain, wind rustling leaves, or ocean waves. Some find it more soothing and natural sounding than white noise. Brown noise, red noise, with even more emphasis on lower frequencies. Brown noise produces a deep rumble similar to a waterfall or distant thunder. It can be particularly effective for masking low-frequency sounds. Sound masking systems, engineered noise, in professional settings like offices and healthcare facilities. Sophisticated sound masking systems generate carefully engineered broadband sounds specifically designed to match the frequency spectrum of human speech. These systems are often precisely calibrated to the acoustics of the space to provide optimal speech privacy and reduce distractions without being intrusive. Nature sounds. Recordings of natural sounds like rain, waves, forests, or flowing water can be effective for masking and often have the added benefit of promoting relaxation. Fans and air conditioners. The consistent hum of these devices can inadvertently provide a degree of noise masking. Where masking environmental noise makes a difference. The applications of noise masking are diverse and impact various aspects of our lives. Workplaces. Open-plan offices, while promoting collaboration, are notorious for noise distractions that hinder concentration and productivity. Sound masking systems are widely used to create speech privacy, reduce the radius of distraction from conversations, and improve overall acoustic comfort, leading to increased focus and job satisfaction. Healthcare facilities. Hospitals and clinics are often filled with disruptive sounds from medical equipment, alarms, and staff conversations. Masking noise can create a calmer and more private environment for patients, promoting rest and healing, and also improve communication among staff by reducing the need to speak loudly. Educational institutions. Libraries, classrooms, and study areas benefit from reduced noise distractions. Masking can help students focus on learning and create a more conducive environment for concentration. Residential settings. For individuals living in noisy neighborhoods or with disruptive housemates, white noise, pink noise, or nature sounds can effectively mask external disturbances and improve sleep quality and overall peace at home. Confidential spaces. In legal offices, therapy rooms, and human resources departments, protecting the privacy of conversations is paramount. Sound masking systems ensure that sensitive information is not easily overheard. Transportation. While not always intentional, the consistent hum of an airplane or train can mask other, more jarring noises. Active noise-canceling headphones also utilize a form of masking by generating opposing sound waves to cancel out unwanted noise. Benefits of effectively masking environmental noise. The successful implementation of noise masking techniques can lead to a wide range of benefits. Increased productivity and focus. By reducing distractions, individuals can concentrate better on tasks, leading to improved efficiency and higher quality work. Enhanced privacy and confidentiality. Masking speech makes conversations less intelligible to unintended listeners, protecting sensitive information and creating a greater sense of privacy. Improved acoustic comfort. Masking creates a more balanced and less jarring auditory environment, reducing the stress and annoyance associated with disruptive noises. Better sleep quality. Masking nighttime noise disturbances can lead to faster sleep onset, fewer awakenings, and more restful sleep. Reduced stress and anxiety. A quieter and more controlled sound environment can contribute to lower stress levels and improved overall well-being. Increased patient satisfaction in healthcare. A calmer and more private environment can enhance the patient experience and contribute to better healing outcomes. Improved communication. In noisy environments where individuals have to raise their voices to be heard, masking can reduce the overall noise level, making communication easier and less tiring. Implementing masking solutions. The way environmental noise is masked varies depending on the setting and the desired outcome. Personal use. White noise machines, smartphone apps, and playing recordings of nature sounds through speakers or headphones are common methods for individual noise masking. Professional installations. Sound masking systems in offices and healthcare facilities involve strategically placed speakers in ceilings or walls that emit engineered broadband sound. These systems often have control units and sensors to adjust the masking level based on the ambient noise in the environment. DIY solutions. In some cases, simply using a fan or an air purifier can provide a degree of consistent background noise that helps to mask other sounds. Important considerations for effective masking. While masking can be a powerful tool, it's crucial to implement it effectively. Appropriate sound level. The masking sound should be loud enough to cover the unwanted noise but not so loud that it becomes a distraction itself. The goal is for the masking sound to blend into the background and be barely noticeable. Frequency matching. For masking speech, the masking sound should be engineered to match the frequencies of human voices. Ravnomерно покриття, uniform coverage, in larger spaces, ensuring even distribution of the masking sound is essential for consistent effectiveness. Professional sound masking systems are designed with this in mind. Individual preferences. What works for one person may not work for another. Experimentation with different types of masking sounds and volumes may be necessary. Conclusion. Finding peace and productivity in a noisy world. Masking environmental noise is a sophisticated yet often simple technique that offers a powerful way to reclaim our auditory environment. By strategically introducing background sound, we can effectively reduce distractions, enhance privacy, improve focus, and promote better sleep and overall well-being. Whether it's a personal white noise machine helping you drift off to sleep or a professionally installed sound masking system creating a more productive office, understanding the principles and applications of noise masking empowers us to create more comfortable, functional, and peaceful spaces in an increasingly noisy world. As we continue to navigate the challenges of modern acoustic environments, the sonic shield of masking offers a valuable tool in our quest for tranquility and focus.